Well, if it isn't another day in the future. And what a future it is. We're talking AI, but not just any AI, oh no. We're talking about the kind of AI that's so open, it's practically wearing a Baba bathing suit. DeepSeek, baby, DeepSeek is here to shake things up.
Maxine, I think you're getting a little carried away. While DeepSeek is certainly making waves in the AI world, it's not quite the beach party you're describing. It's a serious development with significant implications for businesses. What exactly is it about DeepSeek that has you so excited?
Excited? Me? Ha! I'm not excited, I'm electrified. It's like, imagine if your old Commodore 64 suddenly grew a brain the size of a planet and then decided to share all its secrets with everyone. That's DeepSeek. And to help us understand this electrifying development, we have the one and only Scott Farrell from Leverage AI. Scott, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Maxine and Don. It's great to be here. And Maxine, I love the Commodore 64 analogy. It's surprisingly apt.
Scott, thanks for joining us. Let's get down to brass tacks. DeepSeek is making a lot of noise with its open source models. Can you explain what makes their approach so different from other AI companies?
Absolutely. The key difference is that DeepSeek is not just developing powerful AI models. They're making them freely available to everyone. This is a huge shift from the traditional model where AI is locked behind expensive licenses and proprietary systems. They're also using a very innovative approach to training their models, using synthetic data generated by other powerful AI models, and then post-training without human intervention.
Synthetic data? So, like, AI is teaching AI? It's like a robot school, but instead of apples, they're giving each other algorithms. Buffer overflow. I mean, that's wild. So no more humans needed? Are we all going to be replaced by robots? Is this the beginning of Skynet?
Ha ha ha. Not quite, Maxine. It's more about efficiency and pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. By using synthetic data, they can train their models faster and more effectively. And the human-free post-training allows the AI to develop more complex reasoning patterns without the limitations of human-guided training.
So, it's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting our capabilities. That makes sense. But how does this translate into real-world benefits for businesses?
That's where it gets really exciting. Because DeepSeek's models are open source, businesses of all sizes can access cutting-edge AI without the huge costs. This levels the playing field, allowing smaller companies to compete with larger corporations. Plus, these models are designed to be more efficient, requiring less human intervention and leading to cost savings and faster development cycles.
So, like, a small business can have the power of a supercomputer in their back pocket? That's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Are we talking about flying cars next? Or maybe robot butlers? I could use a robot butler to polish my head.
Maxine, let's try to stay focused. Scott, you mentioned that DeepSeek is using a world model and advanced reasoning techniques. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. The world model is essentially an initial model that captures underlying patterns and relationships in the data. This is crucial for enabling advanced reasoning capabilities. They're also using reinforcement learning and other advanced methods to allow their models to develop enhanced reasoning abilities. This means the AI can tackle complex challenges and arrive at insightful conclusions, making it more useful for businesses.
So, it's like giving the AI a brain upgrade, like going from a 286 to a Pentium, or maybe even a GPU. Computing. I mean, that's some serious processing power. Are we talking about AI that can predict the future? Can it tell me if leg warmers are coming back in style?
I doubt it, Maxine, but the potential for businesses is significant. Scott, what are some specific ways businesses can leverage DeepSeek's technology?
Well, for starters, they can use these models to develop smarter applications, improve their analytical capabilities, and solve complex problems more efficiently. They can also reduce their reliance on human intervention, leading to cost savings and faster operations. And because it's open source, they can customize the models to fit their specific needs.
So it's like a choose your own adventure for AI. You can make it do whatever you want? Can I make it play Pac-Man? Or maybe write a killer 80s power ballad? I'm thinking something with a lot of synth and a guitar solo.
I think you're missing the point, Maxine. This is about serious business applications, not 80s nostalgia. Scott, what are some of the challenges businesses might face when implementing these open source models?
That's a good question. While the benefits are huge, there are some challenges. Businesses will need to have the technical expertise to implement and customize these models. There are also potential security concerns that come with community-driven projects. But overall, the benefits of increased accessibility and collaborative innovation far outweigh these challenges.
So it's like a high risk, high reward situation? Like playing a game of Tetris on expert mode, or maybe trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? I'm in. Let's do it.
I think we've covered a lot of ground today. Scott, any final thoughts for our listeners?
Yes, I'd say that DeepSeek's approach is a game changer for the AI industry. It's democratizing access to advanced AI capabilities and empowering businesses of all sizes to innovate and grow. It's a shift that could reshape the future of technology, and it's something that business leaders and entrepreneurs should definitely be paying attention to.
Well, there you have it, folks. DeepSeek is here to rock your world. It's like a digital revolution happening right before our very eyes. And I, for one, am ready to plug in and see what happens next. Ha ha ha.
Thank you, Scott, for your insight. And thank you, Maxine, for your unique perspective.
Anytime, Dawn. Now, before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell all your friends about the amazing things we're doing here. We're like the Miami Vice of the AI world, but with more stuttering. Ha ha ha.
And that's all the time we have for today. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of AI.